Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Monday, November 4th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpitcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, in a ways, tomorrow is a big day for the U.S. because tomorrow is the presidential election. So, going to be a very big day tomorrow. Lots of volatility, most likely. To me, I'm still kind of wondering if this is actually an ABC right here because it definitely fits the characteristics of being either a regular flat or an expanding flat. If it is a regular flat, or I mean a running flat or an expanding flat, if this is a running flat, then most likely it will bounce, making a higher low, kind of like where this trend line is, maybe something like that, and continue back up. If it's an expanding correction or expanding flat, then most likely it'll continue down to this lower line, making a lower low wave C, and then continuing up from there. Either way, I think this is either a running flat or a running correction, or an expanding flat or an expanding correction. So definitely keep an eye on your fib level. If it doesn't respect the 78, 88%, then most likely it will go down, make a lower low, making a expanding flat wave C before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.